The Philippines is an archipelago comprised of 7,107 islands. The islands is mostly mountainous, with narrow to large coastal lowlands. It is divided into three main geographic areas: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Philippines, like many other tropical island nations. There are things that we need to know about a Filipino in terms of culture. Filipino are very resilient. Filipinos take pride in their families. Filipinos are very religious. Filipinos are very respectful. Filipinos help one another. Filipinos values traditions and culture. Filipinos love to party. Filipinos love to eat. Filipinos love to sing. And the last is Filipinos love art and architecture. The Philippines has a weak institutions dragged on economic performance. The most prominent example of a supply side constraint in poor infrastructure of uh, includes not only roads, bridges, ports, and transportation, but also power and electricity. In turn, lack of investment with the number of employment opportunities, which then leads to the high incidence of poverty. Meanwhile, the Philippines can take advantage of the trend towards rebalancing economic growth. Rebalancing will also involve reallocation of financial flows. To enhance the power of income and economic growth of the country, the government should be coordinate and respond to the problem, not to be corrupt to the budget, because this is one of the cases where Philippines is at high level of poverty.